Yeah, Lisa, this storm is not done yet, and it is forecast to be moving close to South Florida here over the weekend into early next week. But this storm will be much different than it was when it hit Nicaragua as a catastrophic Category 4 as it weakened this morning to a tropical storm. Want to get you out the door here early on your Wednesday as we are sweeping around quiet on the radar. Not a drop in sight over the past hour, just a few teeny tiny showers up near Fort Pierce. But as we look at our coastline, we remain clear and dry. Temperatures in the upper 50s to near 60 right now from Northport all the way through Arcadia. The warmest spots on the map are on the western side of the lake as you get that wind across Lake Okeechobee, and we've got temperatures in the mid 60s down through southern Collier. The wind is fairly light this morning compared to what it will be this afternoon. We've got one wind gust near 10 in Ochopee and also 10 in Venice. And later on this afternoon, it'll be up as 20 miles per hour, gusting in the mid 20s as we're going to stay breezy. Your sunset time coming up at 5:43, and the setup very similar to the last couple of days with a cold front to our south giving us that northeasterly breeze and very dry air. Anytime you get the brown showing up on the water vapor loop, that's when we get the beautiful dry blue skies out there, and that's going to be the case here for at least another day or two. All the deep tropical moisture is around Tropical Storm Eta as it continues to bring torrential rainfall to parts of Nicaragua. You can see the core, what's left of it, moving over the mountainous terrain of Central America, but the winds wrapping around, still some 20 to 30 inches of rain expected here in Honduras as this storm is going to weaken as it moves across Central America before re-emerging back in the Caribbean. The advisory this morning has winds of 70, that movement west at 8. Here comes the big news for South Florida, because once it re-emerges in the Caribbean, it's forecast to strengthen to a tropical storm. And a little closer look here for South Florida. This is Sunday evening into Monday when what center of this tropical storm will be approaching us. It is not going to be the same system that hits Central America, a catastrophic, well-organized hurricane. It's going to be likely a larger, broader system and a little more disorganized. So we'll have to watch to see where the rain shield sets up. But as long as it stays a tropical storm, that's nothing we can't handle here in Southwest Florida. It'll be like those powerful thunderstorms we see in the afternoon here in the summertime. Of course, we're going to stay on top of it. If you're thinking about taking a boat out today, small craft caution. Those winds still kicking northeast 15 to 20. And as we look at your extended forecast, temperatures coming up and so will the humidity. And then, of course, watching Eta here over the weekend and early next week for the potential of some heavy rainfall.